Hello and welcome to Edu9 English. I am your host Prem Sirvi, and today on Edu9 we are taking on the journey to one of the most iconic engineering campus in the world. Yes, I am talking about none other than BITS Pilani campus, Dubai. Imagine studying in the heart of Dubai, one of the world's fastest growing innovation and tech hub, at a campus that offers you not only academic brilliance but a gateway to global career opportunities. Stay with me till the end, because if you are planning your BTech or MSc abroad, this video might change your life. In this video we will talk about eligibility, courses offered, fee structure, scholarship and admission process. So let's dive right in. So let's start with the basics. Who can apply? If you are completed your 12th grade or equivalent with physics, chemistry or mathematics and scored a minimum of 60%, you are eligible for most BE programs. For MSc in physics with a specialization in space science and technology, you will need a strong science background, especially in physics and mathematics. But remember, this is BITS Pilani. They are not just looking at marks but your mindset too. Are you curious, passionate, ready for real world challenges? Then you are already halfway there. BITS Pilani Dubai offers 13 first degree programs and one postgraduate MSc program. So if you talk about Bachelor of Engineering, they offer many courses like computer science, electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, electronics and computer, and mechanical engineering, mechanical with aerospace, biotechnology, biotechnology with applied molecular biology, chemical engineering in energy, environment and sustainability, civil engineering, architecture and urban engineering, mathematics and computing. And if we talk about MSc physics with a specialization in space science and technology, they also this course is also here. And guess what, you can even take minor in fields like data science, robotics, finance and even philosophy, economics and politics. That kind of flexibility we love. So let's talk about numbers, because we know how important budgeting is. So let's begin with the tuition fee. For each semester, the base tuition fee is AID 26,420, which converts roughly to 6,17,312 INR per semester, means Indian rupees. So there are a total of 8 semesters, making the total tuition fee without a scholarship is around 50 lakhs. So if we talk about scholarship benefits for 90% of IP score, then here the good part, the first year student with 95% or above in IP get 40% of scholarship from second year onwards, and the scholarship drops to an average of 15% per semester. Let's see how this translates into actual savings. After a scholarship tuition fee semester 1 and 2, after a 40% scholarship, the fee is reduced to around 3,70,318 INR per semester. Semesters 3 to 8 with a 15% scholarship, the tuition fee comes down 5,24,715 INR per semester. So the total tuition fee after a scholarship is 38,89,066 INR. Hostel fee per semester is AED 15,000, which is approximately 3,50,515 INR over 8 semesters, which this is the total to 28,04,120. Good news, there also a 25% scholarship on hostel fees, which brings down the total hostel cost just 21,390 INR. So if we talk about total cost after a scholarship, the tuition after a scholarship tuition fee will be 38,89,066, and the hostel after a scholarship is 21,390. Grand total for 4 year will be around 60 lakh. And yes, that's true, total cost you are paying across 4 years if you are maintain the required scholarship criteria in BITS Dubai. So but here the thing, you are not just paying for a degree, you are investing in world class infrastructure, 7.5 month internships and a global placement. So if we talk about scholarship and financial aid, BITS Pilani Dubai offers a generous scholarship for merit based academic scholars, CBSE state board toppers, set score holders, sibling concession, alumni and staff concession, financial hardship cases. Up to 75% scholarship is possible affordable. Yes, you heard that right, 75% of scholarship, and many students have told us that these scholarship made their dreams affordable and achievable. So don't let finance stop you. If we talk about admission process, we have to apply to university. Our team will help you in application, not BITSAT. This is a separate application and documents are required like SSC, passport, 12th mark sheets, and application fee will be 220 to 8 means 5000 rupees in Indian, and interview will be scheduled with BITS Dubai in 1 or 2 weeks, and after interview BITS Dubai will release admission provisional offer letter, and there you have to pay fees as per your course and scholarship. Joining campus before 25th August, and our team will help you in reaching out campus. Our team is already there in Dubai. And if you like this video, please do like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Edu9 English for more such informative videos. Thank you.